The biggest financial result since working with ActionCOACH, without a shadow of a doubt, was restructuring our business model and launching our franchise. So my name is Charles Gulland and I'm the Managing Director of Wigwam Holidays. We were very much a builder first and a holiday company second, and it was a scary time. I was working often 7 days a week. We had and knew we had to really think through what our niche was and our unique selling point. And I needed to systemize the business, and I needed to think through strategically how I could win back some personal time and how we could do things more effectively and efficiently. I think if we hadn't taken on Tony when we did, we would have had nothing like the guidance and the support to go from where we were, a manufacturing company, to where we are now, a UK-wide national holiday franchise. I'd come into my company with a technical knowledge, but no real knowledge of business whatsoever. And I knew I needed this. It was a scary first step to actually make the commitment to the investment of coaching, but I understood that this was all about return on investment. I think that in terms of results, we were seeing results within 6 months. I was personally getting a far better understanding of why we were in business, and this was setting, if you like, the compass of where we were actually travelling, as me as an individual and us as a team and a company. Be most effective for us, it's absolute clarity of what our goals are that has made the biggest difference to my business. So when we first started working with ActionCOACH, we were, as I said, a small manufacturing company with myself and 5 other employees. 7 years on, we have 25 employees, so we've had substantial growth in team before working with ActionCOACH. Our turnover for both companies was approximately £400,000 per annum. Our turnover for 2017 for both companies was approximately £1.4 million, and our projected turnover for this year will be more like £2 million. So the net profit back in 2011 for both companies would have been in the region of £45,000, and the net profit this year will be in the region of £100,000. I spend roughly 60% of my time on the business and not in the business. We're a growing company. We need to continually recruit, grow the team and develop the systems. But I'm very satisfied with the work-life balance, and I'm very satisfied with what the business is delivering for the family. So overall, I can honestly say that ActionCOACH has been an integral part and a vital part of our journey. When we started, we were a manufacturer who had a holiday website. Now we're a national franchise that manufactures its own product. ActionCOACH as an international franchise is a huge inspiration. The community around ActionCOACH is invaluable. We work with a number of other ActionCOACH clients who are now part of our team and part of our business. And I think that, like any investment, you're going to get out from it exactly what you're prepared to put in. So I'd be open-minded, I would take a deep breath, and I would go for it.